Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Gemma. Today we'll be reading Maisy Goes on a Plane by Lucy Cousins. Today, Maisy is going to visit her friend Ella, who lives very far away. Maisy is taking a plane to get there, and Cyril has driven her to the airport. Maisy is very excited. Maisy has plenty of time to catch her flight. She shows her ticket and check in her suitcase. Then she says goodbye to Cyril and goes through security to the departure lounge. All the passengers begin to board the plane. It's so exciting. Maisy can see into the cockpit where the captain sits. Wow! It takes a lot of lights and buttons to make a plane go. Maisy finds her seat. Row 123. Here I am. Row 10. Seat A. She has a window seat. Maisy makes new friends with Mr. Percy, who is sitting by the aisle, and Betsy, who is sitting in the middle. The three new friends all buckle their seatbelts. Click, click, click. The flight attendant talks about safety. Betsy seems a little nervous, so Maisy holds her hand as the plane whooshes down the runway. Maisy feels the plane lift off, up, up, and away. A flight attendant brings Maisy a glass of orange juice. Betsy reads a magazine. Zzz. And Mr. Percy takes a nap. But Maisy needs to go to the restroom. Some of the passengers walk up and down the aisle while Maisy lines up to use the bathroom. Soon, it's her turn. The bathroom is tiny. The plane soars on and on through the night sky until the captain announces, "We'll be landing shortly." Everyone has to return to their seats, put their seats backs up, and buckle their seatbelt. Touchdown! The plane gives a little bump and a jump as it lands. Hooray! Many passengers cheer and clap, and Maisy joins in. They flew so far in just a few hours. Maisy thanks the crew and the captain as she gets off the plane. Maisy, Betsy, and Mr. Percy wait together to collect their bags. At last, Ella greets Maisy. "Hello, Ella." "Goodbye, Mr. Percy and Betsy. What a fun flight it has been." The end. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime with Gemma. See you next time.